All right, here's a quick update on the do-it-yourself heated butter dish. The 120 volt AC version that just runs directly off 120 AC and puts 120 on the heaters. I had one, it failed after a few months. It just went dead, and it turns out it's this little thing right here. What we have in this, it's got 120 AC come in, 10 volt or 10 ohm resistor, 1 nanofarad capacitor through a bridge rectifier, and then a 12 volt zener. And the unit just went dead. And I took a look at it, and the little 12 volt zener right here, the bridge rectifier, this is the cap, over here is the resistor, failed to a short circuit. So I popped it out. I replaced the little zener, probably a quarter watt or a half watt, I don't know what it is, it's really small, but anyways, I replaced it with a 1 watt zener and plugged her in, and there we go. It's working again. So it looks like there's a fault in the design. That little tiny zener there fails to a short. I've had two of them fail now. This one here that I'm holding in my hand is failed. This other one has failed, and I took the zener out. It's a tiny little surface mount part. I don't have any surface mount parts here available, but I do have a standard through-hole 1 watt zener. Put it in, and it's working perfectly.